Okay, connectors. When it comes to connectors, these are the three. Pretty much anybody will get. These here, don't use them unless you're in a pinch and just have to. It's the only thing you got, the only thing you can get. They collect moisture, they corrode, you can't seal them. I mean, you can put heat shrink over them, but they're just, you'd have to have bigger heat shrink than what the wire needs. It's not real great to use. I stay away from these ones unless it's in a pinch, just to get somewhere. Then change it. And you got these ones, these heat shrinks. Heat shrinks are about everybody's go-to. The reason I stay away from these is because the heat shrink being already on it, when you crimp the wire to make sure you got a good crimp, you can damage the heat shrink and end up with a hole in it. I have one here. See where that crimp is. If I can get it in focus. When it was shrunk, you don't see it at first, but when you shrink it down, it splits that heat shrink inside that crimp. When it does that, there you go. Now it focused. You see how you see that silver in there? That creates a problem. Then, now of course, soldering a joint is always the best way. But for the most part, in fixing wires, these are the ones I go with. It's a regular little connector and some heat shrink like this. Just comes in a roll. When you're done, you should have a joint. It looks like this here, nice and clean, all sealed up. And don't be stingy with the heat shrink. Make sure you get plenty past the connector on each side so that it can't get air and corrode. If this helped, hit a like and subscribe if you would. If you think I'm a moron, go ahead and comment and let me know.